Hello, welcome to another Getting Out of Windows S Mode video. So this is actually a request. I actually made a video of getting out of Windows S Mode before. Exact same thing, the only difference is the laptop. Today we are getting out of Windows S Mode for the Acer Aspire 5 Slim laptop. First step, we want to go to our activation settings. So I just did a search, as you can see on the bottom left corner there on the magnifying glass. Once we're in the activation settings, you're going to see that the edition is Windows 10 Home in S Mode. So in order to get out of this, you just have to go to the store right here. So it's right underneath Switch to Windows 10 Home. So once we click that, we are gonna come here and it shows switch out of S Mode. So it's free, as you can see. And on the bottom, if you want to see the features, Windows S Mode is right here. Here are all the features. Yeah, one major thing is you're not allowed to download third-party apps with Windows S Mode. So we want to get out of it so we can download Google Chrome and Firefox and a few other useful tools that we need for work. So once I press get, you are going to get a confirmation. You might also get a survey like what I just had right here. So it says there, you're all set, you are good to go. And that is pretty much it. So exact same video as another laptop, but just, the difference is the laptop. So getting out of Windows S Mode should be free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.